Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're on our Silverton here, and we're going to show you how we took away this crummy sprayer and put this real nice one. Stay tuned. So, upgrading to the shower head in your boat. You got this kind of spigot, comes out here. When you pull this up, the water comes here, and you get this lazy flow like this. And we've got this switch to switch it on and off. You can see that we get a little leakage, but you can turn it on and off. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a new one on. Close this water, push this down, let this water out. And what we're going to do is we've got a nice one off of Amazon here. It's chrome. We have a couple of wall fittings to replace the piece on the wall. We'll show you that. And we also have a new hose. And this hose, compared to this hose, which is rigid, this hose is very flexible. So the first thing we're going to do is take this off and get this on there. It should be relatively easy. You will need to hold this with pliers, okay? And you turn this. And you might have to get some slack in the line here. I'm going to take this end off first because we're going to have to fool with this thing. And our pliers doesn't quite go in here and grab this other piece that turns. So I think I don't think the two will come apart. Maybe it will. We can get this out of here by pulling it out of here first. This hose is hard to deal with. Maybe now we can get this to turn. Yep. So we managed to get this off. Now we got to get this piece out of here, which we'll have to grab with the pliers and turn this maybe. We have to go off camera to do this because I can't hold it. It's all wet. Okay, so we got that screwed apart. We had to grab it down in here with the pliers and dry it off real well. So we got that off. So now what we can do is we can put this in there and make sure this is going to seal. Yeah, feels like that's going to seal good. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this in here first. So there you go. Thanks for watching My Two Good Hands. How to install a shower head in your boat. Replace the one you have. We got rid of the little cheap one that came with the boat. We will save it. But here now we've got this one. It's got a nice hose on it, so it moves easy. And again, we'll pull this up. You got great pressure, and you got several choices on your shower water. There we go. That's in there. Just like that, we're all set. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Links to Amazon for the item are below in the video. Please use the link to shop Amazon. Help support the channel.